Welcome back to another video on modeling an application in Flowable. Now that we have some forms to start the case and view data, we will be adding some actual logic to move through the case. We will be adding a sentry to move from one stage to another based on a condition. We will also be adding a process to the case which, when completed, will allow the case to move to the next stage. Within this process, we will add a task for a user to complete. Go back to the case editor and select the evaluation stage. The white diamond to the top right of the stage represents an entry sentry. Click this and drag it to the review stage. If you click on the connecting line between the two stages and look at the standard event drop-down under details, notice that it is marked as complete. This means that once the review stage is completed, the stage will follow this connector to the diamond it is attached to. The diamond signifies the entry criterion. Once this has been reached, a stage or other component that the criterion is attached to will start. Now drag a process task component onto the evaluation stage. Select the process and create a new process reference called evaluation process. We have just created a process and are looking at the model which has a single start event in it. Once the evaluation stage is activated, this start event will be triggered, which will begin the process. Click the start event and click and drag the user task icon to the right. Now that we have a user task, label it Team Select Task and create a new form reference and name it Team Select Form. Drag a person element onto the form and name it Team Leader. This will be used to select one of the example users preloaded into the application. Mark this field as required. Now, go back to the process editor and select the user task again. Click and drag the circle next to the task to the right. This will create an end event which will be reached when the user task is complete. Save, publish, and go back to Flowable Engage. Start a new case, fill in the start form, and submit it. Click on History and notice the different colors of the stages. Elements in green are currently active, like the evaluation stage, and elements in yellow are available but not yet active. Activating the evaluation stage at the start of the case caused the process within it to start, which then activated the user task we created. If we go back to Open Tasks, we can see this task. Click on the Team Select task and select one of the example users as the team leader. After we click Complete, we can see that the case is completed. Looking at the Progress bar and History tab, notice that both stages are now blue, which indicates that they have been completed. Completing the process caused the evaluation stage to complete, and the entry sentry then transitioned our case to the review stage. The review stage was then completed since it is still empty. In the next video, we will build our process up further and add some more content to the work form. Thanks for watching.